Key fob programming pairs your remote transmitter with your car's immobilizer. This lets you lock, unlock, and use the panic alarm. First, check compatibility. Does the fob match your car's frequency, like 314 MHz for most US models, and protocol, like LIN bus or CAN bus? Common steps involve inserting the key, turning it to on without starting the engine, and pressing buttons in a sequence. Sync the fob by cycling the ignition while pressing fob buttons, sometimes needing repeats. Newer cars use smartphone apps via Bluetooth or NFC for setup. If pairing fails, try resetting by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. YouTube tutorials serve as the main resource for learning DIY key fob programming. Success rates reach 80 to 90% for basic key fobs. However, advanced features often require OBD2 scanners for proper programming. When attempting DIY programming, always disconnect the car battery first to prevent electrical issues. Be aware that improper programming can void your vehicle warranty. Programming methods vary significantly by vehicle make, model, and year. For example, Honda models typically require holding the panic button, while Toyota uses the valet key approach. Experts recommend using tutorials for basic repairs, but exercise caution with newer models that feature advanced security, like rolling code encryption. YouTube hosts over 500,000 key fob programming videos, and many car owners save an average of $150 by doing it themselves.